Now more than ever, our parents, grandparents, and other loved ones are choosing to age in place, a lifestyle choice that allows them to remain in their own home instead of moving to a senior living facility. This option is a good choice for many, particularly if preparations are made to ensure that their home is safe and accessible. A home can have many barriers that can either prevent easy access or create hazards that lead to slips, trips, and falls. Areas such as thresholds at the front door or other locations with raised entries can be problematic, especially for those with limited mobility or diminished balance. Easy Access has been a family-owned and operated company for over 35 years, and we remain dedicated to enriching lives by providing access to life beyond barriers. We specialize in providing safe and durable access solutions that can easily be added to the home. Whether it's a threshold ramp at the front door, a portable folding ramp for a use at home or on the go, or a vertical platform lift to bypass stairs to gain access to an elevated entry, Easy Access has the products needed to help make their home safe and comfortable while maintaining independence. As your loved ones progress in age, their home should progress with them. Give them the gift of safe access this holiday season. With the addition of a few simple products, you can help mitigate fall risks and provide peace of mind for you and those you love. Contact us today and speak with a specialist who can assist you with product selection or connect you to one of our durable medical equipment providers near you for a home evaluation. Simply visit our website at www.easyaccess.com or call us at 1-800-451-1903.